Let's start with our oldest ancestors and journey towards modern humans. Number 10. Tumai. The story begins 7 million years ago in what is now the Sahara Desert. This mysterious creature marks one of our earliest possible ancestors. Standing just 4 feet tall, Sahelanthropus walked upright through the ancient forests, a revolutionary feat that would change the course of evolution forever. What makes this species truly remarkable is its bizarre combination of features: ape-like skull, but human-like teeth and face. Scientists discovered it in 2001, and it literally rewrote our understanding of human evolution. Imagine a creature, barely the height of a child, taking those first bipedal steps that would eventually lead to our own species. Number 9. Australopithecus afarensis. Meet Lucy, the most famous member of this species who lived 3.2 million years ago. Standing just 3.5 feet tall, these creatures dominated the African landscape for nearly a million years. But here's what makes them truly extraordinary. They could both walk upright and climb trees with incredible efficiency. Lucy's kind would leave footprints in volcanic ash that would last millions of years, providing us with direct evidence of their bipedal nature. Their brain was only the size of a chimpanzee's, but they had already begun their journey towards becoming human. Number 8. Homo habilis. The first true toolmaker emerged 2.3 million years ago. Nicknamed Handyman, this species marks a revolutionary step in human evolution. For the first time in Earth's history, a creature deliberately crafted stone tools to enhance its survival. Their brain size had increased significantly, reaching 600 cubic centimeters, and they developed areas specifically for language processing. But what's truly terrifying is how they survived. They were scavengers, following large predators and stealing their kills, using their tools to crack open bones for marrow that even lions couldn't access. Number 7. Homo erectus. The first global travelers emerged 2 million years ago, standing nearly as tall as modern humans. Homo erectus was the first to tame fire, the first to leave Africa, and the first to hunt in organized groups. They would spread from Africa to China, Indonesia, and beyond, surviving for nearly 2 million years, making them the most successful human species ever. Their brains grew to 1,100 cubic centimeters, and they developed sophisticated tools, including the first hand axes. Some scientists believe they were the first to use complex vocal communication, setting the stage for human language. Number 6. Homo heidelbergensis. The master hunters appeared 700,000 years ago. These were the first humans to systematically hunt large animals, build shelters, and possibly create warm clothing. Standing 6 feet tall and weighing up to 200 pounds, they were powerful creatures with robust bones and strong muscles. They would develop the first spears and organize complex hunting strategies, taking down massive prey like rhinos and elephants. Evidence suggests they might have been the first to bury their dead, showing the emergence of complex social behaviors. Number 5. Homo floresiensis. The mysterious hobbits of Indonesia appeared 50,000 years ago. Standing just over 3 feet tall, these tiny humans lived on the island of Flores until relatively recently, possibly as late as 12,000 years ago. Despite their small brain size, they managed to hunt prehistoric elephants and use sophisticated tools. They survived on this isolated island while our own species was already spreading across the globe, telling us that multiple human species coexisted for thousands of years. Number 4. Denisovans. The enigmatic mountain dwellers emerged around 400,000 years ago. We know them primarily from a finger bone and a few teeth found in a Siberian cave, but their DNA tells an extraordinary story. They were adapted to high altitudes and cold climates, passing on genes that still help modern Tibetans survive at high elevations. They had larger teeth than modern humans and likely possessed incredible strength, surviving in the harsh conditions of ancient Asia. Number 3, Neanderthals. Our closest cousins appeared 250,000 years ago. Powerfully built and highly intelligent, Neanderthals had larger brains than modern humans. They created sophisticated tools, buried their dead with rituals, created art, and even cared for their sick and elderly. They survived in the harsh conditions of Ice Age Europe, developing stocky bodies and shortened limbs to conserve heat. But perhaps most remarkably, they interbred with our ancestors, leaving their DNA in most modern non-African humans. Number 2, Homo sapiens. Our own species emerged 300,000 years ago. We started in Africa, but would eventually spread to every corner of the globe. What made us different was our exceptional cognitive abilities, complex language, abstract thinking, and unprecedented creativity. We would develop art, religion, and complex social structures, but we were also incredibly aggressive colonizers, potentially playing a role in the extinction of other human species. Number 1, the future human. The story doesn't end with us. We're still evolving, with our brains actually shrinking over the last 10,000 years. Technology is now driving our evolution, with some scientists predicting we might split into multiple species in the future. We might even merge with our own technology, creating a post-human species that would be unrecognizable to our ancestors. The human story continues to unfold, and we're still writing new chapters in this incredible evolutionary journey.